Hello all, this is Santosh and we are going to see how to solve this Rubik's Cube. There are more videos in YouTube on how to solve this Rubik's Cube, but how this video is going to be different is we are going to use only logic to solve this Rubik's Cube. That means only we are going to implement our own ideas on doing each of the steps to solve this Rubik's Cube. We are not going to use any algorithms or formulas to solve this one. So anyone who is here to get the fastest step to solve this Rubik's Cube in a quick time like that, then this video won't be useful. So anyone who is eager to get the idea behind this Rubik's Cube and the logics which we can implement on this, then this video will be more interesting and will be useful for you. So let's begin with the solving part. So we are going to go by a step-by-step process here. I request you all to see all the parts of this video to get the complete logic behind this solving of Rubik's Cube. So let's go to the first part. In my scenario, the white is going to be the bottom piece and yellow is going to be the top piece. So this is going to be remaining as a constant one throughout our video. Okay, so which step we are going to start is we need to sync this top centerpiece and centerpieces of all the side faces. Okay, so that means we need to sync this white face with red face, white face with green face, white face with yellow face, and white face with blue face. That is going to be our first step. Okay, so there is already one white piece in the top, so we are going to sync it with the red piece now. Okay, it got synced now, and there is another piece which is also synced at the same time automatically. Okay, so now we are going to get other corner pieces and sync it with the other two pieces. Okay, so here I could see one blue and white corner piece, so I am going to get it to the top now. Yes, it got synced now. Okay, so here I see a white and green corner piece, so let's move it to the green part. Yes, okay, so but here the white is inverted, white and green is inverted. So if the green comes here and white comes here, if I rotate, then the white will get synced with green, but it is in inverted position. So what we can do, I'm moving it to the other face and I am rotating it once so that it get inverted, and then I am rotating it to the topwards so that it gets synced. But while trying to invert this, we made one change, so we are reverting it back. Okay, so now all the white pieces are synced with all the center pieces of the side faces. So that's all for our first part of the video. Please continue with the next part to get the complete logic on all the steps involved in solving this Rubik's Cube logically.